If you have issues with your Wi-Fi not working correctly, not connecting, or something similar to that on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or 7 FE, then here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna open settings, then we're gonna proceed to connections, and over here we have Wi-Fi. And before we actually go to Wi-Fi, you want to make sure that the AirPlay mode is not enabled. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident, and of course this can disable our Wi-Fi and we won't be able to use it. Alright, so let's go to Wi-Fi. The most basic thing that we can do is simply turn off and turn back on Wi-Fi. Sometimes this simple step helps with some issues, and you should be able to find a list of networks, and you perhaps will also automatically reconnect to your Wi-Fi. If that's not the case, if the wrong Wi-Fi is used, then of course you can still select the Wi-Fi if you can find it on this list. And you can also go to the settings of the Wi-Fi in order to, for example, disable automatic reconnect, which can be the reason why you cannot connect, or maybe why it's not working, or why you are disconnecting. So it actually depends on the situation. If the wrong Wi-Fi is being used, you want to disable auto reconnect for other Wi-Fi networks that you may have at home. But if the phone disconnects from Wi-Fi all the time, then you actually want to make sure that auto reconnect is actually enabled. And besides that, if the Wi-Fi can be found, you are trying to reconnect but it doesn't work on your phone, what you can do is you can forget the network and try to connect again. This can be also quite helpful. You might need to, for example, update the password as well. So if that's the case, you can tap on the password, I believe. Or actually, can we do that? Maybe not for some reason. So yeah, you might need to simply forget the password and enter the password again. Forget the Wi-Fi and then enter the password again. Alright, so if that didn't help at all, what you can also do is you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then we can go to intelligent Wi-Fi. And over here we have switched to better Wi-Fi networks. And this can be also the reason why, for example, why the Wi-Fi is disconnecting all the time or trying to switch to something else. So you might want to turn this option off so that if you choose your own Wi-Fi, if you choose the Wi-Fi network by itself, then you will keep it until you manually switch to something else. And there's also switch to mobile data, which can also be toggled over here in case you need to turn it on or off. And then we can also go back and we're gonna go to advanced settings. And in case your Wi-Fi is not shown on the list of available networks, then you can go to manage networks and you should be able to find it over here. And in case you need to forget it, then of course you can do that over here. You can choose it and then forget. Also, what is quite important in case you are trying to still solve your issues with Wi-Fi is that you want to make sure that the issue with Wi-Fi is actually on your phone. So if you have other devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you are trying to use on your Z Flip 7 or 7 FE, basically you want to make sure that it is working on other devices. And if it's working on other devices but not on Z Flip 7, then of course there's actually some issue with the phone or with the Wi-Fi on the phone. But if it's not working, if the Wi-Fi is not working on any other device as well, then this just means that you have issue with the Wi-Fi itself instead of your phone. So keep that in mind, of course. Alright, so if none of this helped yet, what you can also do is go back to the settings. We're gonna scroll down and go to general management. And over here, go to reset, and we can reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, we cannot separate it, so if you have any Bluetooth devices connected on your phone, you will have to pair them again. But if you reset these settings, then you should be able to go back to Wi-Fi and try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. And that's pretty much all we can do in order to try to solve issues with Wi-Fi on Galaxy Z Flip 7 and 7 FE. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.